Hi everyone, we're going to talk about the wider community now. So we're going to brainstorm for ideas for our My Place writing for places that are a little bit further away than our local community, so not as close by. Let's have a look at some of the places. Now, for this part, I'm going to read and you just need to listen and visualize. So think about what I'm saying. If I drive for almost 1 hour, we can go to the beach. If I drive for 45 minutes, we can go to the city. And if I drive for 1 hour, we can go to the big stadium. We have a market each week in the city. We go for a swim at the beach. Some beaches we can take the dog to. And you can go to the theatre and see a show in the city or go to a concert. We watch the NRL games at the big football stadium, and people can buy things at the markets in the city. Dogs can go too. And if you have a look at this little picture at the bottom that looks like a cake, it's actually a dog cake that they made at the markets. So those are the things that are in my wider community, not as close to me. So now it's time for you to brainstorm your ideas. So have a think about some areas around where you are. So maybe stretch from Rowena all the way to Walgett or Lightning Ridge or Kalarnabri, Burren Junction, a little bit further away, Weewa, Moree. What sort of things, Narrabri, that you might can think of that would be in your wider community? And to give you a little bit of an idea, you can have a look through this, which is all about the different regional areas around your region, and it might give you some ideas. Oh yeah, there's fossils and the opals, and you can have a look through at some of the places that might be a little bit further away from you, but sort of your wider community. And then you can write them here using the text tool. So having a brainstorm and thinking about some things that are a little bit further away that you might have gone to or that you might know of. See you next time.